you've got the trees right behind your eyes, showing me your leaves, telling me your lies. This is how I know, this is how I know about you. 'Cause you're at one with nature, and honey, I'm at two. Now you've got the wind blowing through your hair, telling me your sins and showing me you're there. This is how I know, this is how I know what you do. 'Cause you're at one with nature, and honey, I'm at two. Now clearly you've got all the things that I need, and you're leading me on when you're planting your seeds. But I'm so messed up, what can a middle class boy do when you're Mother Nature's daughter and I'm trapped in this city like a fool? Now you've got the sun shining on your smile, show me you've won and show me in style. This is how I know, this is how I know it won't do. 'Cause you're at one with nature, and honey, I'm at two. Honey, I'm at two.